What it do, Stoner crew? Some for me, some for you. Let's get it, let's get it, let's get it. It's your boy Flystonermotive, and I'm back with another banger, you feel me? Ooh, shawty want me. I just woke up to another 20 shot, I want me. 4 ounces of mud is prescribed to my auntie. Spent so much money in this bitch, now they call me. Took a couple gambles, why I ended up with nothing. Well, alright. I know y'all really messing with the Wingstop challenge, so we coming through with the second challenge. We got our second food challenge today. Domino's pizza challenge, you feel me? I got 3 extra large pizzas from Domino's. I'm finna see who could take down these extra large pieces the fastest, you feel me? If y'all messing with these weekly challenges, make sure y'all like, subscribe right now. Drop a comment right now if y'all want more of these challenges. We got 3 contestants playing for a grand prize, you feel me? Comment below who you think the winner gonna be. Finna get into it right now. Holla at y'all next clip.
Yo, it's your boy Z-Viddy, man. The reason I'm finna win, because nigga, I ain't eat for 4-5 days, you feel me?
I sure am hungry.
I'm the CEO of Young and Hungry, so I'm finna show y'all exactly why I do what I do. Simple.
It's your boy President Jets, man, you already know. But I just ain't finna lose, you know, I don't lose at nothing, you know what I'm saying? So, and look at my competition. Yeah, little boy, man, I'm a grown man.
I'm a grown-ass man.
Okay, yes, you are. You got some schmutz right here.
Hey!
So, I ain't finna lose, man, let's get into it.
It's he asked me if he asked me, you know what time it is. Anything, I'ma eat it up.
Hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right.
You know what it is, it's me.
I'm ready to go.
We got our competitors right here. First to eat their pizza wins the grand prize. And before we start, who y'all like?
Right now, I like Yaz for it. I like
Yes. Okay, we got one for Yaz. Who y'all think go win?
I'm going for him.
That boy look. You feel me? That boy like you gotta figure out who you think go win.
Yaz look hungry.
Okay. Who you think go win?
Black Room in the building. I gotta go Yaz,
Okay.
man.
Black room.
Okay.
I ain't going Yaz too,
Alright. Who y'all think go win this?
Shit, probably bro right at the end.
Okay.
Sasha's got it, man.
Okay. you going off the flavor. Now you need that back on. Alright. On your mark. Get set. Go. Let's go. Okay. She lost? I ain't gonna lie, last person who took off slow? Last person who took off slow was the winner. Okay, we see the technique. We see the pizza sandwich. We see the technique. Okay. Slow and steady win the race. She focused. She locked in. She locked in.
That's no shit. That shit out of there. What
Come on, let's be serious.
Hey, we doing tag. He half for a tag me.
What's going on, man? Y'all niggas eating like girls, man. Y'all let girls eat.
Don't fuck up, bro.
Don't.
You should have just left it as a quesadilla.
I like the swallows, ZB. Swallow, look at that. Jack got their ass on.
Good pace.
200, I'm gonna give it 3 points.
I'm adding 200 on the one.
Okay. We just boosted up the prize.
Yeah, by that paper now.
The grand prize has just been increased.
All on together.
Guys, I think you need water, bro.
You're not eating all the pizza.
No, we judging the crust after that. No crust. You ain't gotta eat the crust.
Nah, y'all gotta let them drink water, cause that's how they got.
They can drink water. They got water.
Y'all need some water. Go ahead.
There you go. Flip that bitch one more time. It's over with.
You gotta eat the fresh too, though.
Hey, so you know, slow up, bro.
crust gonna be crushing.
Crust gotta be thin. I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah, the crust gotta be thin though. Y'all gotta mud most of the crust. Yeah, that's good right there.
If it's a challenge, whoever you gotta eat the whole piece. Yeah, still on number 2.
You bun. Let me take that seat.
Hey, yeah. Turnus won the race, baby. Turnus won the race.
already. He almost done.
Hey, them pieces.
Yeah, he.
I get
Oh
one.
yeah. This a free fall. Whoever want that?
That shit was simple.
Hey, y'all down.
That boy mutton a lot though. He just gonna have to redo them crusts, but that boy mutton.
So for me, right?
See, y'all niggas, the water gonna get y'all full. You might want to sip a little bit. Sip
It's
something.
bread, bro. You gotta.
Yeah, gotta soak that sponge up, bro.
I ain't gonna lie, my money was on you, bro. Chump, man. Chump.
He in the front.
What's up? Take a side bet. I'll let your boy now.
Side bet.
Nah.
Who gonna quit?
I got my money on bro.
I got my money on him, 200.
I like him for the 100.
Yeah.
200?
I bet 100.
That's your.
Side bet has just been betted. Grand prize has increased and the side bet has been betted.
Sausage man, eat that go now. Take a sip, bro. They gonna challenge just a sip.
Bro, eat while you go sip, man.
There you go, man.
Fuck the sip.
Yeah, get it out.
Bro, sip, bro.
Fucking sip,
Sip, bro. Sip, bro. You might want to sip, bro.
Fuck the sip. Eat, goddamn. Eat, goddamn.
Bro, take a sip. We're gonna get back on the trail. That's it. Yo, take off.
Sip that bitch.
Take your win.
Take another break.
Hey, go get the belt, man.
That boy about to
You
mud.
don't want to eat.
Oh, yeah, he won.
He about to mud.
Nah, leave it on top of there you go.
That water brought it back to life.
The handshake. I see a handshake.
Don't get discouraged by that nigga. They got a whole 2 pieces. Don't get discouraged.
Oh yeah, you vibing.
He got it on the what?
Man, you still got all them other pieces, even the little small pieces.
Man, fuck them little pieces. Attack the big pieces.
Bro, get the big.
Later.
Man, listen, act
There
like
you
she a
go.
big hoe. Put all that shit
There you go. There you go.
in your mouth, man.
That's a quesadilla, man. Just try that shit.
Act like she eat that. Bro, eat both at the same time.
Eat both at the same time, bro. You gonna win.
Let me get going.
Go ahead, bro. Nah, don't spin it.
Don't break it, just don't break it, freak, man.
Don't break it, just
Don't
go.
Y'all funny as fuck, bro. You about to throw up? Oh, he about to throw up. It might be over.
Hey, eat. I got money on that. You can't have no.
That shit got your ass shaking.
You don't need that.
Yeah, you do, bro. You need a little bit of water. You need that water. You need that water. Don't split the pizza. Don't split the pizza.
They sleeping on
Add
this.
another element, bro.
Yeah.
Hey, listen here, man.
Hey, listen, it's all trying to take, man. You gotta finish.
Man, listen here.
Don't put the pizza too.
He got
You know what I'm saying? He ain't finished.
Don't put a dish out of that bitch.
That boy gonna throw up.
Don't worry about the crust, bro. Don't worry
He
about
a
the
much
crust.
for
Take
real.
the big pieces out. Yeah, that boy from the
Yas with the fuck that shit. Hey, boy, Yas is slow biting, but she coming.
She coming, low key.
Coming.
She chilling.
Every time you
Damn, bro. How you put that shit up?
every time you put that piece of lamb, boy, you fried. Bro.
I ain't gonna lie, boy. You in there? You in there?
I really feel
He
like
in
they
the-
eat the whole
thing.
Yeah, it's crust. People eat crust. That's like tearing bread out of bread.
That's a lot of bread.
What you mean?
That's a lot of bread.
Don't you like money?
You take the hands off
No, we gotta eat the bread.
Whoever finish the
up the end. You gotta eat the bread too. You gotta eat the bread too. He up the end.
Oh, we don't want finish over here.
Oh, now that's 21
Zip
cents.
to be eating the bread too. That's 21
Yeah, take a
cents.
sip, yeah. You got cotton mouth. Take a sip, yeah.
Hey, here you go. Here you go, coach.
That way on the front.
Last lap. Last lap.
He gotta eat the bread too.
He gonna handle his business.
Hold up.
Okay. Okay.
There you go.
Get your ass out of here, man. You out of there, man. You don't want to listen to me.
There you go, just throw that bitch out.
Don't throw up. It's not worth your health, bro. It's not worth it. It's not worth your health, bro. It's not. It's never worth your health.
Yeah,
Man, eat that shit like you eating some sack, homie. Eat the work, nigga.
They ain't gonna throw it.
Come on,
Yo, that shit made me nasty.
I ain't gonna lie, this is a tight race, low key.
I got
Boy.
so much.
That boy coming down, but you feel me? That boy not out of there. A couple bites
I
behind.
ain't gonna lie, you
Man, Yaz, what you doing, Yaz? You might as well start folding too.
Yeah, bro.
Catch up, Yaz.
They throw up first, they lost.
This ain't no time. Take them shades off.
They throw up, they lost.
Take them shades off.
Slow and steady.
You gotta ease off the water.
Free 300.
Man, listen. What he talking about? Drink water.
No water.
Not much water though.
No water at all.
Yaz, you might as well speed it up. Act like that's coochie, Yaz.
We getting that money over here. Hey, Kyle, listen, we getting that money. Hey, CB.
I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna lie. He's finna throw up.
That boy stopping.
Swallow the fish. Swallow the fish.
My camera ready.
I ain't gonna lie. Hold on, listen though. I feel like she qualified though, cause her shit all the way to the end.
Yeah. Y'all gotta run back through that. Y'all gotta run back through that at the end. I need that crust clean.
Eat that last slice.
Okay.
Yeah. I need it like that. I need it like them first two.
That's checked in.
Yeah. You gotta run through that a little bit. You need that crust clean though.
Hey, now look it up, man.
Okay.
Knock that out and run on that.
Z, you almost there, Z. You almost there, Z, bitty.
Squish that bitch.
Stop shaking, homie. This just food. Get this shit, man.
That shit pressure. That shit pressure.
Come on, all that meat on there. Eat that.
Eat that. What you Haitian? What you mix with?
He's cooked.
Costa Rica? Nigga about to fuck you up, man. In your city, they don't eat in your city, so eat. You know what I'm saying? In your country, you don't eat, man. Nigga, you get good food here. Stop bringing it down, man. Hold up, man.
Guys, man, you better have that shit some coochie, bitch. Come on, let's go. There ain't nothing but some cheese. It's clean too. It's saved. Let's go.
Finish your piece, I want a slice.
You
I was hoping you would go.
Whoever got the empty cardboard box, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, man.
Hey, he gonna vote it, buddy.
That's cleaned up.
Stop breaking it now, man.
That's clean crust.
The more you break down brothers, you got to eat.
You gotta swallow.
Drink that water, boy. What about
That
that?
boy pressure on that last leg.
That shit come back up, he's off.
So let me ask you a question. You gonna let you
Okay.
That boy catching up.
Okay, last lap.
That boy catching up.
Crust clean. Crust clean.
Yeah, I'm gonna take it half.
That shit ain't gonna matter.
Them boys ain't gonna throw up yet.
That's you banking on.
Finish your water.
You banking on the ankle roll. You banking on the roll ankle. Oh, you need another water. You need another one? You need another water.
Here, pump. Here you
Take them
go.
shades off. Take the shades off.
Guys, if you gave up, just close the box.
Just take the shades off your ass and you go in.
Them boys got done. Them boys got me.
Yeah, take the boy throw up. She went.
My boy.
Down that boy.
Fuck that
No,
nigga.
no, no, almost done. Why you gonna do this in 2 seconds? Can you go?
Take it. Take it away.
It ain't no race. Them boys just amping it up. It ain't no race.
I'm gonna take the biggest one.
Tag him
Wait
in.
till I lose.
Tag him in. I ain't gonna lie, you lost.
Leave it.
She got to finish
Okay.
up.
You gotta let me win.
Tag team.
Let her close the box. My boy, get on that editing.
Now I gotta eat it.
What you done over there? It can't be no beat.
Ain't no done.
Boy.
Ain't no done.
That's clean crush right now.
I don't know. Hold on, boy. Still size on up.
You gotta eat the
That's too much. You good off the crust.
Yeah, look like it. He won. That's it.
People hungry.
She won.
Finish everything. Nah, finish everything.
They not finished.
You can't finish everything. That boy gonna throw up.
That nigga gonna be sick for 4 days straight.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. If y'all eat the crust, the boy gonna throw up. You can eat the crust? No, you can't eat the crust. At the review, oh man, he couldn't get it down. So hold on. Let's see what Z Biddy doing. Z Biddy can finish his. That boy threw up. Z Biddy, oh now he cooling. That boy coasting. That boy coasting.
Still finish that
I ain't lose nothing. Let me tell you something. When you the best, baby, they gonna count you out. They gonna try to take from your plate. Never let them take from your plate, man. Y'all see I was coming. That boy about to throw up. He about to throw up. That boy drinking water and pizza.
If you throw up, you win. You automatically win.
Cruise.
That shit clean, man. Man, that shit over with, man.
That boy threw up. Yeah, he went to the bathroom. He made it to the bathroom.
Hey, that boy won and then lost.
That's crazy. Last bite.
The last people who did this, we found out that the faster you eat, the worse it is for you.
Yeah, low key. Low key. I ain't gonna lie, you gotta knock that off. Cause she win if you don't, you feel me? Or if you cough it up.
Right, whoa. I ain't eat for 4 days.
He said, I ain't eat for 4 days.
Hey, bro, y'all got it now.
If you're a real nigga, you eat the crust.
I'm gonna eat everything, bro.
Yo, eat everything?
Pressure now, bro. You both live in me, bro.
No water.
That water fucked me
That
up,
water
bro.
fuck me.
Yeah, it was the water.
I didn't concentrate, man. You ain't never ate at the table, man. You gotta before you eat. Nigga, you don't see
I got a message real quick. You feel me?
Disco light.
I'm doing this for big cuz. You feel me? All little big cuz. And we cruising. Cruising like we in the candy paint, man.
They say that though. That wasn't no rule though. Y'all ain't say that shit.
I mean, I thought that was like self-explanatory. No, y'all, what y'all say? If he throw up, he get to stay in? Disqualified, right?
If he throw up, he won.
I ain't gonna lie, if he throw up, she win. She didn't throw up.
I really won already, but you gonna throw up.
You say he gonna throw up? She won. That boy coolin'.
She went away about DQ.
Yeah. That was a good game plan though. Alright man, what happened, man? You came in,
I came in with a game plan. Hey, hear him talking, man. Look. Hey, let me talk. Listen, I came in with a game plan. The game plan was to eat as much as I can, as fast as I can. I fucked up when I started letting people like get in my head. I should have never drunk that water. I should have just kept it slow and steady, you know what I'm saying? But you know, I folded on that tea. But they told me that wasn't no rule though. But you know, I give it to my dog Biddy. He won, man. It is what it is, dude.
you come back for the next challenge?
For sure that. You know I'm gonna be back. And you know I don't lose. So yeah, next time. But make sure y'all tap in with me though. President Jets, you know what I'm saying? That's my YouTube channel, that's my Instagram name. Make sure y'all tap in. Go like, comment, and subscribe. I played, but you know, I'ma bounce back harder. Watch.
Cause he asked me if he asked me, you know I never feel like I lost. Y'all see what happened over there. They took slices of my pizza. I know how to play this game. They gonna throw up. But thank you very much. I was hungry, and that's why shout out to Flystonermotive and Flystoner Podcast. We the best. You know what time it is. It's me.
Coming through on the next challenge?
Coming through on the next challenge? Yes, it gotta be no one around. Cause you know there's too much haters around. But we good though. You know who's gonna win. It's me.
Oh, Val, let me do my dance.
The champ is here. The champ is here.
Hey, I came, I saw, I conquered. Graduation. Subscribe to the nation. Like my other cuz, man, I win. Let me do the victory dance.
Here you go, sir. You got more to collect. You got more to collect, though. You got more to collect. Easy win, man. Easy win.